Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix TikTok unable to authorize. Please try again on iPhone. If you're using TikTok and you want to log in with your account, but you're facing this type issue that whenever you try to log in, you see an error that you're unable to authorize. So let's see how can you fix the issue. So basically, it's nothing else. It's just might be a network issue or it might be an app issue. So you just have to simply go back from here, and very first you just have to scroll down your control center and you have to make sure that you have a stable and a strongest network connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular data. You can also try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 to 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then you have to go back from here and open your settings app, go for general, go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you find any connected VPN here, just try to disconnect with that. Then again, go back, go to date and time settings, and here you have to make sure that you have enabled the toggle to set your date and time automatically. Then again, go back and you have to retry it to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to make a forced restart to iPhone to fix minor glitches. Now to do that, you have to quickly press and place your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And once your phone has been restarted, you just have to unlock your phone. And here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so open your app store here and you have to try to update your TikTok app. So go for search and search for TikTok and you have to make sure that you have an pending update for your TikTok app. If you find, just try to update your app, or you can also try to offload your app. So go to your settings app, go for general, go for iPhone storage here, look for TikTok app, and you just have to try to offload your app. So if there will be any virus or any malware into your TikTok app, it will be fixing this app. Just select this offload app option and your app will be offloaded. So after offloading, you have to reinstall the app. So just tap on reinstall app option. So after that, your app will be reinstalled on your phone. So if there will be an issue with your app, it will be fixed in this app and you'll not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.